Hello guys, this evening we start our video for about the integrals. I have done one in French, but this is maybe it's same level, but with different exercise. Then you can see you can see the exercise in French, the video in French, and in English you see more integrals. So this video it should be, I think, in 3 videos, because this is the first. After that, we're going to trade the polynomial integral of polynomial is very important, and before to do the last video, because we need to have a function between R and H, no? So we should eliminate one of those. Okay, so we put R equal H approximate equal, okay, and then we can work with this equation, okay, and then after that, so we can change the structure of the material. If the structure of the material change, it means the characteristic, it means the hardness first, and other characteristic of the material. Because the structure is not the same, it has changed. So, for sometimes, for example, C45, the material, okay, should be inferior. Equal, no, inferior, strictly inferior. Okay, if no, it's not. I think we have seen all. It's okay for now. And I think now we know everything. We have all the knowledge to do our job. You can do this job now in any company. You don't need more information. I think it is interesting when you work with the physics with velocity and position and acceleration. Then you need have all the graphs together. You know, it's better than you have 3 different graphs. You know, you can compare or not compare. You can do mistakes, but if you have all the graphs in the same graph, you can compare between them, and you have better vision of the problem. Okay. Thank you, size. It's a script of its algorithm of the 2 lines. It's very easy. We open now, and I have prepared them. The cost is high, you know, when the radius is biggest. It's like that. So we don't have any problem with read that. We have it's just like manufacturing. When the tolerance is very small and there's very precision, we pay much money. Because why? Because we have too much work. It's like I have shown you in the exercise with the cylinder, bending with the cylinder with the machine, and it's like that. Not only that, here we have. I'm going to show the result. Okay, minimum cost, radius, minimum radio, the height is the minimum. Okay, so it's easy. It's 2 lines, thickness in inch, your thickness, mile. In our case, we're gonna do it. Mile. You have here all precision. You have here what it means, and here in the dots, you don't have any problem to do it. The drain is same. It's same. Okay. Okay, it's what you've seen. This is a report now with the quotation, everything, weight, block, which kind of material block. We have the size of the block, the brute, I mean,